This is a video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the new adware called TechShack. TechShack is the adware that is from the AdLoad family of computer infections. TechShack adware, if it gets installed, may start to display a lot of intrusive advertisements while you browse the web. If this TechShack was installed into your device some way or another, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it immediately from your computer. So how to remove this adware? You need to open your Finder on your Mac, check your applications, and when you find this TechShack, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Secondly, I recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner. That can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.